The magic of switching. Commutative property and multiplication. Hello everyone. Welcome to another interesting lesson in our English language learning series. Today, we are going to delve into the realm of mathematics, specifically, into multiplication. More specifically, we're going to talk about one very important aspect of multiplication called the commutative property. Let's get started. The commutative property is a fundamental principle in mathematics, particularly in basic operations like addition and multiplication. The term commutative comes from commute, or to move around, which really explains what this property is all about. When we say that multiplication is commutative, we mean that the order in which numbers are multiplied does not affect the result. For example, if you multiply 3 by 2 or 2 by 3, the result is the same, 6. To demonstrate the commutative property, let's use some examples. If we have 4 multiplied by 5, that gives us 20. Now, what if we switch, or commute, the numbers around? If we multiply 5 by 4, we still get 20. So we see, the order in which we multiply doesn't change the outcome. The commutative property isn't just an abstract mathematical principle, it applies to everyday life too. For example, think about baking cookies. If you need 2 eggs for each batch of cookies and you're baking 3 batches, it doesn't matter whether you first count the batches, 3 batches times 2 eggs, or the eggs, 2 eggs times 3 batches. Either way, you'll need 6 eggs in total. And that's the commutative property of multiplication. It's a magical principle that allows us to switch or commute numbers around when we multiply without changing the result. This principle is not only a fundamental part of mathematics, but it also has real-life applications. We hope that understanding the commutative property will make multiplication easier and more enjoyable for you. Thank you for joining us in this lesson. Keep practicing, and remember, in multiplication, you can switch things around and still get the same result. See you in our next video.